Ah!
Oh, shit.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Oh. Ah!
Oh, good. And that's on cam. And that's on cam. That's on fucking what? It was there 6 months ago. Or like whenever we last played, it was yeah, that shit was still there.
That shit was here.
Yeah, bro, what? Yeah. Yeah. I remember there was like a little something going on over there, but it definitely didn't look like that. I knew something, there was something going on.
Damn, it's windy. What out of bounds said? Hey, we're gonna do a short field. Hey, y'all wanna make it hard? Hash line,
How about middle?
the middle? Yeah. Yeah, middle.
It's like 1 and 2 sucks, and then 3 does 19 yards. You know?
No, I can't lie. That play against the Packers where he scrambled back, and started fading, and he just faded back, and he threw that at the corner of the end zone to
That was bad
Loveland.
defense, man.
I thought I was impressive. I was like, ain't no way this man just made that throw.
Yeah.
I think it's just bad
It was both too. It was both. That was a good play by him, but then again, the cornerback, what the hell you was doing? He knew, cause there was a moment like in a flag game. We in a real flag game. We like strapping everybody. My people went deep, right? So I just stayed short. The quarterback went scrambling. I ran up to him and I kind of like stood still. And he just kind of he ran past me. People were like, what the fuck?
How many scramble throws?
Oh, look at that pass!
You said,
seen
that nigga, cause I tried to set the screen for you.
Oh yeah, hell nah.
You got that. Go straight up the seam.
Okay.
But a decision might have to be made, but it's okay.
Ready, hit!
Oh!
I take KF away. So that means it's 1-on-1. Y'all two are 1-on-1.
Okay.
Just cross each other.
Okay. He said just cross each other.
Ready, hit!
Cross it.
Ah!
Oh, shit!
Yeah. Damn, my B, y'all.
Grass though, don't cover open grass. You know what I'm saying? Like make sure you
Yeah.
on, and if they just running around,
Yeah.
take it.
Oh shit. He did.
I can tell with Micah Wayne.
Oh shit. Your glasses okay?
I almost finished up in his
Yeah.
glasses.
Yeah.
I was trying to put the tripod up, but my phone was dead. I was,
Oh,
I got
damn.
a tripod though.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh shit. You about to take out? Hey, Tino took off.
I had hit that.
Hey, you.
That
Hell yeah. What's his third?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't even know that. It should like the power was going to Caleb.
I should have. Yeah, I thought Caleb was for the. I should have cut that hook.
I was just waiting on I was waiting on like on the tip.
That shit just got all confusing.
Damn, I was waiting on the tip.
We good.
Damn, I don't like dropping passes, man. Hey. Oh yes!
I told you, Caleb Patino got to get the ball.
I'll live with them shit. I was open.
I'm out here. I come in.
Bet.
Fade
Bet.
Post up.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Ready, hit.
Good shit, good shit, good shit.
Fake the post, do a corner.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Okay.
But I'm actually
Bet.
So you go.
Bet.
I'll do a corner.
Okay.
That's exactly who he wanted to go to.
Damn.
What score? It's third, huh?
Yeah, throw it down.
He's gonna. Don's gonna do a stop and go.
Okay.
You got that first 5.
Got 10 now.
Okay.
I think it's his third down. So do a 10 now. I'm trying to hit Don, but
Yeah. If not,
check down.
I can post Caleb.
Hey,
Debo.
I'ma
Debo
just-
quick. I'm gonna start from him. Taking that one because
Yeah.
Don
Hey.
is doing the
Take
stuff.
him
yeah.
And so you
I'ma
just
take Caleb
because
that way.
keep Micah close to you.
Bet.
I got outside.
I think.
Ready, hit.
Hey, that was a good ass route I did. That was a cold ass route I did.
All I can think of.
Yeah,
Run the post and go across the other half.
Yeah, Tina was so far back.
Yeah, he
I
far
can't even
short.
do.
I feel, that was good.
I think
Hey,
that's good.
you saw that route I did though? That shit was nice as fuck. Nah, but the wind probably would have took it though. Damn.
When in doubt, yeah. But now just float that motherfucker up there.
Yeah, that's it.
Everybody just run down the middle,
Yeah.
fuck it.
Yeah.
I'm running the post. I'm going to that.
I'ma just try to catch a tip.
Be underneath. Hey, come on. He tips it.
Yeah. That's why I'm waiting on the tip. Cause me jumping up in that bed, hell nah. I'm getting elbowed in the head and everything.
I don't know. He just ran over.
All right. Ready, hit.
Oh shit! Bro, his neck, I couldn't like.
I got
he was
scared.
fucking ball, bro. I got
Yeah.
That nigga threw that.
Hell yeah. I thought it was coming in the back of the end zone.
to get my hands in that bitch now.
Hey, I thought he overthrew it. I was waiting in the back.
Got lucky, boy.
Bro, I thought he overthrew it. I was waiting, bro, but Tino put a hand on it. It about to fall right here in my lap. That nigga Brian lunched that hole. Hey, that's a good ass rap, boy. Yeah, they taking me deep. They taking me deep, yeah. Yeah. Oh! Hey, 1-0. 1-0, 1-0.
Just stay on the sideline.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. I got you. I'm gonna work his ass.
I need Caleb
You ain't gonna let him
to
get
stay on
back?
that side. Debo, I need you to do a fly.
Yeah, what?
Bet.
What? Now you gotta run away.
Come over here. Come on, brother.
You only get one shot.
Oh! I tried to stop him from pick. I tried to stop him from pick that hoe.
Come back this way.
My shoes slipping off and shit.
Nigga, you getting strapped up? That's what was happening.
I ain't gonna lie, that was
Okay.
If you got that bit, that is dirty, bro.
I didn't know either.
So I kept running off. I'm from the position where I said that was.
Oh! All right, that's it, that's it.
Come on, man.
Y'all got me running down there.
You ain't doing too much running, bro. Shit, you play 20 yards off.
I got you. Ready, hit.
Oh.
Damn, Michael.
Y'all all right? Y'all all right? Y'all all right? Okay.
Mouth guard fell out, like,
No slants, no stops.
None of that, just straight goals.
Straight.
All right, we got it, y'all. We got it.
Well, we good.
What is it? Second? Good D. Fuck it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it this way.
Debo play some good ass defense. I see Smiley about 15 yards off your ass, goddamn.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm wrong with both of them, bro.
You hit that. Smiley hit that. Yeah.
If he had to, he'd have to like lay
He'd
it.
have had to lie that bit for real.
I played kind of under.
Yeah, you played under for sure.
You got this hole right here.
And ain't gonna try to
And
clear me
wherever
out
you
yet.
go. So you got behind us all three.
I got
And
you.
we got the line right here.
Bet, bet,
Catch him,
bet.
really. We'll catch him, you know?
Yeah,
And he's got that.
bet. We gotta leave it as 1-0. Hold on.
Yeah, 1-0.
They got way up. Oh,
1-0.
they caught that hole?
Yeah,
Oh,
kept that one
okay.
touchdown, that's it.
No, I talk about right here.
What?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, who caught that pass?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hussein got it.
Oh, okay, shit. I'm like, I don't know, how the fuck they way up here?
And that's on film. And that's on film. That's on fucking what?
He tried to drill that bitch
I
in.
came back a bit slow in that bitch.
Hey, get your boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, they're good.
Hey, they coming in right now or what?
What, next series?
That boy said the same flat tire picture he sent to his boss. That shit hilarious, boy.
That nigga knew I was gonna bring that shit up.
We stole the head coach from Aiden. Yeah. That's hilarious. Ready, hit.
Good shit, good shit.
Do a post? We will.
Okay.
You get it.
Well, yeah. I was about to say that too. Gee!
Your hands hang low.
12 and in. Yeah, yeah. Nah, for real.
Down the street. Any yardage.
Yeah, yeah. I'm doing like an end. Hey, good read. Good read.
At the 19, at the 19.
Damn, I try. Fuck, I try to.
Why you ain't gonna do all that?
Fuck, I try to help.
Nah, I blissed your ass. You wasn't going nowhere.
Jack, true.
I'm about to say, we didn't take advantage of it.
Yeah. What's going on?
Good, Debo?
Eric? No.
Yeah, he been here before.
What's your name again?
Bro.
Bron. Okay.
Brock.
Yeah, that's right.
No, it's Brian. It's Brian.
Hey, what's going on, player? Yeah.
And I'm sick today, so don't expect me to do any better.
Hey, that nigga down on my team.
Who, Brian?
Yeah, that nigga just said he not finna do shit.
Ah!
I didn't say I wasn't gonna do shit. I said I'm sick, so I wish.
I tried that bitch for one drive.
You gotta know the right person.
Huh? Damn. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Oh shit.
I was showing him how he was that catch.
Yeah.
The ball came.
His son made that was like an NFL catch. Oh, damn, that shit was awful. My bad. No. You still all time or what we doing? Okay. Okay. You the key? I don't know. 6 on
They said
6.
it's 13.
You tried my ball?
I can take some air out.
Where my ball at?
How you wanna run the defense?
Hey, what you think about this? What you think about that one?
Alright, I like the shape.
Yeah.
That one's good. I like a light ball. I don't like
That one's pretty light.
It's like, don't change it halfway through. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah,
if you're
type
running a
shit.
route,
Triple moves and shit.
Run
Yeah.
a route. If you make a move at the top of your route, that's fine, but don't like run and then just fucking just stop.
Cut back and shit.
If you're
Yeah.
gonna stop,
What's
then,
going on, player?
if you're gonna stop in the gap, just turn your shoulders.
Get 5
right at me,
downs.
Type shit.
and I'll know you're stopping.
Yeah.
If you're still running, then I know I'm not gonna say, oh, he's gonna stop in that route in the gap. If you stop in a gap, you see a gap, boom. But I'll
Bet.
probably throw it before you even. Yeah.
All right, bet. Shit. So just pretty much just get open, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, unless y'all want to run a route and y'all just tell me what y'all want to run. And we
Yeah. Fill it out.
If y'all want to run something, let me know. Ready? Hit.
Like that.
That's what I mean. I should have thrown it.
I'm gonna just be the decoy on this one. I'm gonna just run deep.
Ready? Set.
Ah! Oh shit! Should have been last play. I'm gonna just stop it like at the 15, do like a little stop.
Just do 2 and 3, and then I'll pick.
All right, bet. Hey, nice try though. Well, hold on.
I'm gonna take a corner spot. Left or right, I don't fucking care. Probably left since you're there.
So they pretty much 6 on 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hey, they pulling up. They pulling up.
They're trying to.
Box for the field.
Hey, we got 3 here, by the way.
Pass that shit off.
Ready, hit.
Damn, son, trying to bust the top open, huh?
Cool when they do it. It's a problem when we do it.
We had no plays.
I see it. I see it.
Now we can block.
I ran that whole too slow, sorry.
You weren't gonna get it, Caleb.
He was waiting on me. Ready, hit.
Damn, I should have stayed back.
Yeah, it's gonna knock it down.
I should have stayed back.
Hey, fuck that. Come on, hurry.
There's too many people.
Just have one rotate.
7 is too many people.
6 on 6, yeah, that's fine.
Hey, come on. Hey, we gotta hurry up, though.
Cause that we had to.
Run.
Good shit, boy.
Ready, hit. Upfield, there. Upfield. Third down.
I'm gonna take it.
Ready, hit.
Fourth down.
Fourth. Come on, we got 2 shots. 2 shots. Touchdown. Hit.
Oh, good catch. Go. Whoa, right here?
Now, 2, right here.
Good shit, boy. Good shit.
Let's go.
Ready, hit.
Oh, shit, Jack. Hey, Jack.
Let's go.
Hey, good shit, Jack. Good catch, boy.
Good shit, boy.
Alright, ready, hit.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
I ain't want to hit him, bro. I had 5 minutes.
All right,
Hey.
Y'all good.
Yeah. Ready, hit.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi.
Oh shit, way too high.
Third down.
Come on, y'all can't be running no plays. Come on.
We got 5 minutes.
Ready, hit.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi.
Yeah, Smiley.
It's deep over here.
Who's the safety on our side?
Shit.
We should be running too high right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, run the high.
You want the high?
We need at least 4 across.
You get the high.
Get the
Yeah.
high.
Okay.
You get the high.
You get the corner.
Someone
Go.
I got the middle.
Yeah. Hey, line it up. No, regular.
Four? Okay, cool.
Regular. There's still 4 right here.
Come on, let's go. I'm calm.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
Bro, how is he still? Bro, how's nobody touching it?
I thought all y'all was gonna touch that ball.
Yeah, I know.
None of that shit, bro.
I know. Hey, they gonna try me right here.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5.
Yes. Yeah, Smiley gonna be the.
Y'all let these niggas bully y'all niggas, bro.
I got last one. Last one. We got this last drive.
Are you ready, safety?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, set.
Wait.
Hey, come on.
Hold on.
Gary! He didn't tag him. He did not tag him.
I don't know if Jerry had the ball yet.